and my wonderful students. A very warm and a graceful welcome to each one of you. Today we gather not just for a presentation, but for a celebration of a learning, growth, values and vision.
In this hall, on this stage, and on the screen behind me, you will witness the heartbeat of a school, the dedication of our leaders, the blessings of knowledge, and the countless moments that shape our strengths throughout the year.
Education is not merely about the books and exams, it is a journey where every step builds the character, every experience strengthens the confidence, and every opportunity opens a new door.
Because we believe a school is not made of walls and classrooms. It is made of efforts, values, and a vision that never sleeps.
दीप जलते रहे राहें संवरती रहे, दीप जलते रहे राहें संवरती रहे, हर बच्चे की मुस्कान से मंजिल निखरती रहे। हम तो बस संग चलने का फर्ज निभाएंगे, हम तो बस संग चलने का फर्ज निभाएंगे और गुरुकुल की पहचान यूं ही आगे बढ़ती रहे, यूं ही आगे बढ़ती रहे।
So, ladies and gentlemen, with pride in our hearts and joy in our voices, let us step into the beautiful visual journey of a school. Let's begin with the curricular division. Academic for intellectual growth, sports for healthy mind, healthy thoughts, festivals, a social exposure, recreational for overall personality development, and finally excursions, relief from mental stress.
Under educational events, my first call is with the class assembly competition. Our students worked hard day by day, month on month to make their class best. So my first call is with class 10. Class 10 with the topic decision making. Our class 10 boys took the stage with a powerful theme, decision making, providing that wise choices shape the strong futures. Success doesn't come overnight, it comes with a steady step and sincere effort. Parents, please put your hands together for class 10 boys. महीने भर की मेहनत है, तालियों की कमी है।
Our next slide, facing the fears. Our class 5 students beautifully presented a theme, facing the fears. Fear is just a shadow and confidence is a real light. Practice makes you not perfect but powerful. डर को जीतना ही जिंदगी की पहली जीत है। यही जीत इन बच्चों ने खूबसूरत अंदाज में दिखाई है।
Class 5 students, morning assembly. Please put your hands together for all the class 5 participants. Class 9, resilience. The topic was resilience. They bend, but they do not break. They fall, but they rise again, stronger than before. Success is not final. Failures are not fall. It's only a courage that encounters. Class 9, resilience.
Our class 4 students brought a meaningful reminder to all of us. Think before you speak. Their meaningful speeches highlighted that a gentle tongue is a tree of life and mindful communication is a lifelong skill. मीठी बोली मीठा फल सोच समझ कर ही बोलो हर पल. This is a short video of this amazing activity.
Class 4 के बच्चे अपना हुनर दिखाते हुए. Please put your hands together for the stage courage and confidence of class 4. चलिए class 6 की तरफ चलते हैं. Now the topic is honesty is the best policy. They performed a thoughtful drama showing how truth always wins in the end. Students also delivered meaningful speeches, reminding everyone that honesty builds trust and character. Satyamev Jayate.
Let's enjoy this beautiful video.
बच्चों के कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए तो तालियां हो जाए. 6th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है.
Our class 9 students chose one of the heartful themes, parent-child relationship, a bond where love speaks louder than words. Through their thoughtful speeches, they express how parents are the first teachers, first friends and the strongest pillar of a child's world. माँ बाप का प्यार ही वो साया है जो धूप में भी ठंडक ले जाता है। बच्चों ने आज इस रिश्ते को खूबसूरत शब्दों में सजाया है। Let's enjoy small video.
Class 8, Ripple of Kindness. Our class 8 student presented a heart-touching theme, Ripple of Kindness, showing how one small act of goodness creates the waves of changes. Some students made meaningful charts. On the other hand, girls performed the graceful dance. Their clear English accent, confidence, and remarkable stage presence represented their efforts.
We improved the stage career of students by such assemblies. Every student took part in it.
And they are getting the chance to be on a stage, speak on the mic. Put your hands together, please. Now let's move forward with the subject-based activity. Under it, my first is debate competition. Class 7 student actively participated in the debate competitions where ideas meet intelligence. Conducted in English, the class 7 debate helps the students to speak boldly. Verbal vocabulary grow richer and truly they boost their confidence.
What an amazing activity it was. Parents, please applaud them.
Class 7 with debate.
Your clappings will definitely motivate them.
Girls are not with the pages in the hand. Put your hands together, please. So let's move with an impactful role play that touched every heart. 6 standard evolution. They portrayed how human greed is cutting down the trees endlessly. When the last tree falls, make sure the last breath will fade. पृथ्वी माँ के आंसू इन बच्चों ने तो आज मंच पर ही गिरा के दिखाए। Look at the confidence of the boy, please. Big hand for Mother Earth need to be polluted today. The next one is class 8. Students perform the science activity, say no to the plastic, reminding us that small choices can create the big changes. The girl presented a dramatic and engaging performance, showing how plastic pollution silently harms our land, water, and living things. Plastic may be convenient, but its consequences are permanent and dangerous.
Parents, please put your hands together for this amazing activity.
What is extraordinary in standard girls? They are marvelous with their confidence and their speaking skills.
Our next slide of subject enrichment is word relay race, where vocabulary meet velocity. Students ran to the board with excitement and wrote words spontaneously, showing sharp thinking and quick recall. The entire activity was time-bound, teaching them accuracy, speed, and presence of mind.
Select third standard के students हैं and see their stage confidence, the way they are standing confidently writing. Your hands together for them. And next slide is with our tiny thinkers from class 1st and 2nd with the math activity. How beautiful they are, isn't it? This playful learning helps them to understand math is really not a subject. It's a game of pattern, logic, and habit discovery. The little ones enjoyed every moment, celebrating their small victory with the big confidence. They are only first standard and second standard students. Please put your hands together for them. तालियों की कमी है, please put your hands together. एक flashback है, सारा साल इन बच्चों ने जो मेहनत की है उसका.
It was a really hands-on activity.
बच्चों की बोली मीठा सार, बच्चों की बोली मीठा सार, ज्ञान का दीप जलाए बार बार. आज हमारे ये छोटे छोटे सितारे संज्ञा के भेद बताएंगे प्यारे प्यारे। Put your hands together for class third संज्ञा and its types। और हमारे थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स ना सिर्फ संज्ञा को समझ कर आए हैं बल्कि व्यक्तिवाचक, जातिवाचक, भाववाचक आदि ये सब भेद उन्होंने एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ समझाए हैं। सो प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर क्लास थर्ड के स्टूडेंट कुछ नहीं उनके हाथ।
Honorable dignitaries, now we move toward one of the most awaited and proud moments of a school, the house inaugural ceremony. Just like colors bring life to canvas, these houses bring energy, competition, discipline, and teamwork into a school. Today, our school stands united under four houses.
Four colors, four flags, but one spirit.
Here is a motivational message by our principal man on this wonderful occasion. Parents, please put your hands together for this amazing activity.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the next highlight, celebrate the creativity, imagine and expressions. Student of Standard 5 actively participated in the drawing competition, a platform where colors spoke louder than words, and ideas flowed freely into the canvas. With every stroke, they enhanced their creative skill. रंगों की दुनिया और हमारी छोटी सी कहानी। Put your hands together, please, for class 5 students.
Our next slide brings you into the world where learning meets technology, our computer lab. Here students become tech-savvy explorers, learning beyond books and stepping into a digital universe filled with interaction, curiosity and creativity. Let's celebrate their joyful journey from traditional learning to smart learning. Our students enjoying in the computer lab in our school campus.
Our next slide showcases an activity that sharpens the mind and strengthens the numerical intelligence of abacus. खिड़कियों से खेलते खेलते मानो इन बच्चों ने तो दिमाग की दौड़ लगाई थी। Every beat move boosted their confidence, concentration. Every step calculated built their confidence. Please put your hands together for this abacus activity running each and every class 10 with standard.
Our next slide celebrates curiosity, innovation and discovery, our Science Day celebration. Students prepared impressive science models, beautiful charts and both working and non-working models. With confidence and clarity, they answered every cross question during the final queries. जहाँ जिज्ञासा हो गहरी, वहाँ ज्ञान की रोशनी खुद ही रास्ता बना ही लेती है. Please applaud for our amazing science activity conducted in school.
Our next slide reflects a gratitude, respect for Teacher Day celebration. Class 9 enthusiastically participated, stepping in the shoes of their role models, went in every class, taught the lesson, and really played the role of a teacher. शिक्षक वही जो राह दिखाए और विद्यार्थी वही जो उस राह पर चलकर कुछ कर दिखाए, कुछ कर दिखाए.
Our students enjoyed the Teachers' Day by becoming a teacher and going in every classroom. They know what the hard work a teacher faces while going in every classroom.
और यहाँ मैम पूछ रहे हैं किसको टीचर बनना है. So everybody is raising the hand. Yes, I want to be a teacher. So please put your hands together for all our teachers.
Our next slide highlights one of the strongest pillars of a school system, the parent-teacher meeting. And curriculum PDFs are organized from time to time to ensure transparent communication and a meaningful partnership with every parent. girl must carry with courage. A special guest trainer was invited to empower students with practical techniques, quick actions and smart reflexes. उन्होंने समझाया सेल्फ डिफेंसिव कला नहीं,
अपने अस्तित्व की हिफाजत का विश्वास है।
Today, our young girls stand taller, stronger and safer, ready to face the world with
शक्ति, संयम और साहस। Put your hands together for all the girls of Gurukul.
So, you have practical knowledge of self-defense.
Our next slide recall the Doctor Day celebration to promote the good health among our students. A professional doctor team was being invited. They conducted a proper dental checkup. Health is a real wealth and caring for oneself begins with the small daily habits. Celebrating Doctor Day reminded our children of the heroes who keep us healthy, our doctors. And after the day, who's the doctor?
Our next recreational highlight, a 10-day summer camp, a beautiful blend of learning, laughter and lifelong memories. Students participated with full energy and excitement, proving that when learning meets fun, confidence naturally blossoms. इस कैंप का मकसद साफ था, ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट, जहां बच्चे सीखे भी और मुस्कुराए भी।
Our next slide reflects the backbone of every strong school that have teacher training programs. At Gurukul, we believe that an updated teacher creates an upgraded classroom. That is why from time to time, ma'am arrange training sessions. जो खुद सीखेगा, वही तो दुनिया को सिखाने की ताकत रखेगा.
Parents, please.
For such kind of practices.
Our next slide represents courage, awareness and the voice of today's empowered youth. The Nirbhaya Rally conducted under the guidance of Nanded District Educational Authorities. Especially our 7th standard girls who became the true role models during the rally with powerful slogans and confident expressions. They inspired everyone around them. निडर बनो, जागरूक बनो और हर कदम पर सुरक्षित रहो।
OMG, our next slide brings us fine memories that we filled with the pure joy. That is our annual excursion. Every year, a one special trip is planned, and this year, our journey took us to the refreshing Flower Resort. Through this outing, students learned self-independence, discovered the meaning of friendship, and enjoyed exciting water games that filled our day with laughter. Here are some visuals.
Students enjoyed a lot during this one-day trip. As we enter the next vibrant section of our presentation, our cultural events. Let's begin with our Independence Day celebration. Students participated with great enthusiasm, performing role plays, delivering speeches. Freedom is not just for a day, it's a feeling we carry forever. They sing patriotic songs as well as showcasing their talent through rangoli, dumbbells and racing. वतन की खुशबू हर सांस में बसती है, वतन की खुशबू हर सांस में बसती है और तिरंगे की शान से हमारी पहचान बनती है, हमारी पहचान बनती है।
Our next event fills the air with the devotion, tradition, that is Ashadi Ekadashi celebration. Students of class 1st and 2nd participated wholeheartedly, offering their prayers to Vitthal Rukmani. Our tiny devotees also stepped into the role of Bhargaris, dressed in the traditional attire. Bhakti ki raah par chal pade nannhe kadam, Bhakti ki raah par chal pade nannhe kadam, jo har manzil સુધી રોશન હોને લગી.
Parents, please, a huge round of applause for our tiny Margaries. Our next cultural night honors the most sacred bond in education, a bond between a guru and a shishya. We proudly present our Guru Purnima celebration. As they put on to the teachers, their innocence spoke louder than words. Students express their heartfelt gratitude to their gurus, emotional songs, motivational speeches. Let's enjoy some glimpses of this amazing activity.
Our next cultural site calls with colors, joy, and the laughter of our little ones. Our holy celebration. In this event, our tiny and students explore the magic of color, recognizing the different shades and learning each color represents some values. They're celebrating the holy in a safe, happy, and vibrant way.
Let's enjoy Holi in our school ground. Our next cultural slides glows with the spirit of light, joy, and festive togetherness. Our Diwali celebration. दीप जले तो रोशनी बढ़ती है और संस्कार मिले तो जिंदगी चमकती है. In this event, students gathered with the principal ma'am to safely burst crackers, spreading happiness and excitement all around. Our ma'am is every time ready to motivate the students, whether it's in the office or on the ground.
Let's move toward the Nag Panchami celebration. The stage was beautifully decorated, highlighting the worship of Varun and creating a vibrant festive atmosphere. Here are some tips to this activity. We learn the significance and the ritual of Nag Panchami in a friend and a preparation. कितने सुंदर नाचे हैं. क्या आज के दिन
For Daggy Tot celebrating Nag Panchami. Now we move toward the heartbeat of good health, our sports section. Every Wednesday, our students step out for mass PT, a routine that strengthens not just the body but the mind. They stretch, they jump, they breathe, learning that a fit body is the first step to a sharp mind. Let's have some glimpses of the mass PT.
Yoga is not just an exercise, it's a way to bring harmony between mind, body and soul. Our students participated in this yoga competition with a great enthusiasm, showing discipline and inner strength. Clearly visible है कि ये बच्चों ने कहीं ना कहीं घर पे से योगा जरूर सीखने वाला है. Put your hands together please, all the students who participated in yoga competition. We tried hard for doing the asanas.
Highlights the exciting kabaddi match conducted on school ground with perfect land markings and full preparation. The ground echoed with energy as students showcased strength, strategy and quick reflexes. It was a proud moment to see our young players giving the best and enjoying the spirit of sportsmanship.
Ashram Singh, who did well for the swimming competition. Charmeet Jadhav, once again a distinct winner at Vishnu.
Parents, please applaud them.
Team Wrestling, Virat Doipore, state level second rank. Gymnastics, Arnab Jadhav, once again 3 consecutive years बच्चा winner रहा है. Weightlifting, Raveen Singh Ramgadia, national and international rank. Please put your hands together for all the winners.
Today, we proudly celebrate our young abacus champions whose sharp minds and quick calculations set them apart. Their exceptional performance has brought trophies, medals, and immense pride to our school.
In ISO 5 students, LSO 6 and IU 5 and IMO 18 students ने ओलंपियाड विनिंग का इस बार रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा है. प्लीज इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए.
Our next slide celebrates the brilliant achievers of Homi Baba competitive exam. These are the winners.
Our next slide is a humble expression of gratitude to our respected director ma'am. Her vision, guidance and a constant encouragement have created a nurturing environment for every child. She has provided a strong platform where students can explore, experiment and excel in every skill. Thank you ma'am. Thank you for this platform.
This slide is a heartfelt tribute to our respected directors, Anisha ma'am and Ajay sir. Their innovative ideas and forward-thinking approach have brought remarkable growth to our school. We express our deep gratitude to both our directors for being pillars of strength, inspiration and progress. This slide is dedicated to our incredible hard-working staff, the true backbone of our school. Every lesson taught, every activity planned, and every challenge handled reflects their sincere effort. Their dedication, passion, and commitment have made the entire year a grand success. Parents, I request you to please give a huge applause for exceptional faculty.
छोटे से कदम पर सपनों पर भरोसा था बड़ा. छोटे से कदम पर सपनों पर भरोसा था बड़ा. डगर थी आड़ी टेढ़ी पर मंजिल पाने का हौसला था बड़ा. अगर पढ़नी होती सिर्फ ABC ही तो घर ही काफी था. एटीट्यूड, कॉन्फिडेंस, बैलेंस, करियर के खेल में हर स्किल को पाना था. मैं गिरा, मैं उठा, जीत कर फिर से मुस्कुराया. मुझे ये सब मेरे गुरुकुल ने सिखाया. स्कूल सिर्फ बिल्डिंग ही नहीं है, एक घर सा बन गया था. माँ बाप का भरोसा अब मेरी ताकत बन गया. ये नन्हा सा पल कल के मंच पर एक ऐसा तूफान मचाएगा. ये नन्हा सा पल कल के मंच में एक ऐसा तूफान मचाएगा. पर आपका बच्चा हमारा